How to fix your washer smell like gas is a common issue many people face and can be easily resolved with the right steps. First, identify the source of the smell, which is often caused by a buildup of mold, mildew, or bacteria in the washing machine. To get the gas smell out of your washing machine, start by leaving the lid open after each use to improve ventilation and reduce moisture. Next, run a cleaning cycle with a washing machine cleaner or a cup of white vinegar to remove any debris and odors. If your washing machine does not have a cleaning cycle, set it to the hottest temperature and largest load size. Regular maintenance is crucial to preventing future occurrences. Check and clean the gasket and seals for any mold or mildew buildup. Leave the washing machine door open after use to dry the interior and prevent moisture accumulation. Run a cleaning cycle every 1 to 2 months to maintain your washing machine's hygiene and performance. Additionally, using a washing machine cleaner or deodorizer can help eliminate any remaining odors. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for the cleaning product and washing machine. By following these steps, you can effectively remove the gas smell from your washing machine and keep it fresh and clean.